Hi friends, this is Katie. I'm going to show you two things in this video. One is how to go from your desktop client, your Zoom desktop client, that's what we're looking at here, to your Zoom browser settings. And I'm showing you that so that you can find your recordings that have been put in the trash. And any recordings for Zoom that are over 1 year old are going to be waiting for you in the trash for 30 days where you can recover them. So I wanted to show you where to find all of that. The most common place, I think, for folks starting in Zoom is the Zoom client where you join meetings from usually. So if that's and that's what we're looking at now. So if that's the case for you, to get the best way to get to your recordings is going to go to your little profile icon, and you want to go to this drop down that says settings. In settings, you will see a place down here on the menu that says my account, and then you're going to go into this view advanced features. That opens up, and for me, of course, it opened up in the other monitor, but it opens up this logs you into Zoom in the browser and pulls you up to your advanced settings. So if you haven't been here before, now's a good time to go through and check through your settings. But the reason that I'm showing them to you in this video is to show you that in this same Zoom browser is where you'll find the recordings and transcripts. And under trash, these are the recordings that are over a year old. So these are the ones that will be deleted. They're about to be deleted. So it tells you that you've got this 30-day kind of time frame to recover any of these Zoom recordings that you don't want to be gone forever. So what I'm going to do is just set a Friday reminder for myself to go through and see if there's anything in the Zoom trash that needs to be recovered before it's gone forever. Because I've got a lot of stuff in here, Catalyst recordings and other recordings that maybe I want to save. I'm not sure. I need to go through and decide if I'm saving those or not. Otherwise, they will be gone forever if those 30 days pass and I don't do anything with them. Okay? So that was a quick video on finding these recordings for Zoom. In the event that you want to recover them. What I'll do for a part 2 is what to do if you do want to recover one of these, if you do want to save it outside of Zoom, what to do. So I'll do that one next. Bye.